Hey guys, welcome back to Set Streets and Eats. I'm Chris Bauer. I am back going through Dallas. I'm just here for a couple of hours and I wanted to stop back into a really cool place that I was here a few months ago. Fun Billiards Game Room. They have a Billy Bob broccoli and the owner Craig has been adding a few things to that. So I've stopped in to see the progress of the Billy Bob broccoli stage right here in Dallas. Hope you guys will join me. Let's go see him. What's up, Craig? How you doing, buddy?
Back, man. How you
Very
doing?
good to see you.
Yeah.
Good to see you. I'm excited to see what you've been working on with Billy.
It's still not done.
I know it's not, but I've seen a lot of great photos, so it definitely is a night and day from when I was here the first time.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. You are not lying. You got all kinds of. You got the gas pump.
We restored that.
Nice. So Billy Bob's looking great. He's got the whole backdrop. I was just talking to Craig about all the different improvements he's been making. And of course, now we got Looney Birds here. So we got two on here now. He did say they're going to get a bigger compressor because with two animatronics, it's definitely, you can feel it in the compressor now. The mouths don't quite pop like they did. But man, he's looking so good. So he's getting the background printed right now. So that'll have the background, and then they're going to actually construct the stage right here. So Billy Bob will actually be raised on the stage. And then, of course, the great thing about the stage, you can put all the accoutrements. I keep trying to use that word correctly. I don't know if I am. All the different valves and everything that make all that noise. They can go under the stage, quieting down his performance and allowing you to enjoy just the music. So, but he's got the moonshine still now, the frog, the boulders, all kinds of good stuff.
It always kind of mesmerizes people that wouldn't see in the back. So
Yeah.
It's a new Godfather pinball.
Nice.
Just came out.
That's awesome.
I got one up on the floor, but we got a stock one.
Golden tea. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, this is like the end of Indiana Jones.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's amazing. Top people. I love that old Spidey one.
Yeah.
That's really
so
cool.
what we do is I've got 4 guys that restore and fix the games
Yeah.
cosmetically. And when they're done with one, they're like, they just tell me, they're like,
You
we'll
just
work on
bring
it.
another one
So
down.
we bring another one down.
Dude, that's amazing. Look, you got what, hundreds of these back here, don't you?
Yeah.
That is crazy. Look at that old Kiss one.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean, there's 3. We can't even get down this row right now.
That's amazing.
These is all games going to the
Star
Texas Pinball
Wars.
Festival.
Oh, okay. That for next weekend?
Yep.
That's amazing. Boy, you got them from every decade.
Yep.
Wow. Asteroids and Pac-Man just sitting there waiting.
Yep.
That's awesome. The X-Men one. That's cool. Ha! Playboy's got their own machine. The Valleys.
I ordered one of those in my office. That was actually what got me into pinball.
No kidding.
I got.
Was the old Playboy
I was
one?
15 years old. That was
No
the first pinball I ever got. So, oh yeah. So then here, this is where typically my crew, they're on
nice.
delivery doing a shuffleboard install.
Oh, that's
These
so
are all
cool.
games they're currently working on to get ready. I've
That's
got
so
4 guys in
crazy
here.
how technical it all is
Oh yeah.
for just a little entertainment game. Wow.
It seems overwhelming to a lot of people, but when you see it day in and day out.
Yeah, it's probably pretty easy to understand it right away looking at it. Wow, that's cool. Workshop. That's awesome. Transformers. That's very cool.
And then people always wondered, like, how do we get them up here? Well, there was that forklift back
Oh,
there.
nice. And then just raise them up.
All we use it pretty much for.
Yeah, because that would suck
Yeah.
to have to muscle those up the
Yeah.
stairs. I love these minis too, and you even got the mini change machine.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Hold on, we gotta turn them on. You're awesome.
That is awesome.
So the change machine is actually the USB hub they all plug into.
That's, oh my God, you got little tiny tokens.
Yes.
Dude, that's great. And it's a USB hub. That's hilarious. It's crazy. The little light up token slots.
Do you remember Dragon's Lair?
I absolutely remember Dragon's Lair. We had a 3D version we had a arcade called Tilt, and it was a 3D version that would project the image up above it. It was like a tabletop version.
I'm not very good at it with one little
Dragon's Lair is so cool. I remember thinking that animation was just blowing my mind in the early 80s. It was unbelievable. You gotta have some crazy good motor skills to go that small.
Oh crap.
He's on fire.
Right. So on the original Dragon's Lair game,
Yeah.
there is a drawer in the back that had the Laserdisc player.
Oh, really? And they even have the little mini Laserdisc player?
Look at this.
Dude. You talk about complete. Holy cow. That's amazing. I had no idea they made stuff like that. That is really cool.
Yep.
Burger Time.
Burger Time.
Burger Time. That's the one I'm thinking of. Burger Chef's the actual old burger place.
Okay, let me get some beer going.
Yeah, go for it. Oh, yeah.
Imagining you, I do. I think about you day and night. It's only right to think about the good love and hold it tight. So happy together. If I should call you up, invest the time, and you said you belong to me, and ease my mind. Imagine how the world would be so very fun, so happy together.
That's awesome. Man, that looks good.
Get
So
there.
it's crazy how all just the little pieces it just keeps making it better and better and better.
Oh yeah, especially having him there, so now they're
yeah.
talking and singing with each other.
They've got the banter, you got Bird. It's just, that's really cool. That looks amazing.
How long I've loved you, you know I love you still. Will I wait a lonely lifetime? If you want me to, I will. And if I ever saw you, I didn't catch your name, but it never really mattered. I will always feel the same. Love you forever and forever. Love you with all my heart. Love you whenever we're together. Love you when we're apart. And when at last I find you, your song will fill the air. Sing it loud so I can hear you. Make it easy to be near you. For the things you do endear to me. Oh no, Oh, thank you, Looney. Hey, those were great harmonies you sung with me. Wasn't that a pretty song?
Yeah, I liked it. Hey, who did that song? Wasn't that originally done by Frank Sinatra?
No, Looney Bird. That was done by the Beatles, you know.
Well, wasn't Frank Sinatra in the Beatles?
No, Looney, it was John, Paul, George, and Ringo. You remember?
Yeah, but I thought there was a Frank in there somewhere. Are you sure?
Looney, I told you there is no Frank. That song is called I Will, and it was one of the songs on the Beatles' White Album back in the late 1970s, I think.
Well, I could have sworn there was a Frank in there somewhere. Like Frankie and Johnny. No, John and Frank wrote all those songs. Yeah, John, I think. No, was it John Cameron Swayze or Frankie? I know, it was Frankie Lyman and John Cameron.
Looney Bird, just wait a minute.
But I thought.
Wait.
But didn't.
No, Looney Bird.
But
Looney, I said shush. Now, Looney, pay attention. I'll try and explain it to you in a way that matches your intellectual competence, okay?
Okay, Billy Bob.
Now, Looney, what do you get when you take a B out of ball?
Well, I guess you did all.
That's right, Looney. Now, what do you get when you take a dough out of donut?
You get, this is a trick question.
No, Looney, just answer the question.
Okay, you get nut.
Right. Now, what do you get when you take the bloom out of Frank?
Billy Bob, there is no bloom in Frank.
That's what I've been trying to tell you. There is no bloom in Frank.
Well, that was awesome. It was good seeing Craig and looking at all the improvements he's been doing to Billy Bob. You know, it's funny. I realized this right when I was finishing the video there. I don't know if I've ever mentioned this, but a lot of people know about it. But just in case you don't, Billy Bob Broccoli, which is his last name, there's a reason behind it. It's kind of an odd last name to name a bear after a vegetable. However, back when Showbiz was created, it was started by a man named Robert Brock and, of course, Aaron Fecter. And Aaron named Billy Bob Brock after Bob Brock. So Robert Brock, or Bob Brock as he was known, he named Billy Bob Broccoli after the founder of Showbiz, just as an homage. And, of course, then Aaron Fecter was the voice of Billy Bob. So it was almost like the two co-founders were basically in the same character. So, but you know, some people don't realize that, but I think a lot of people already know that as well. But I just thought I would mention it because it's a fun little fact, of animatronic history. So